Not all dentures are created equal, some are barely dentures at all. Here's the honest truth about Cvioert Dentures. They're one of those boil and bite kits you fit at home. Sounds easy, right? But real dentists say these DIY dentures are about as reliable as a paper umbrella in a rainstorm. Customer reviews? Overwhelmingly negative. Trustpilot is packed with one-star complaints about poor fit, bad service, and refund nightmares. These kits skip the most important step: professional fitting. Without that, you risk pain, infection, and even permanent damage to your gums or existing teeth. Sure, they might look okay for a selfie, but don't count on them for chewing, talking, or, well, living your life. Here's the deal. Quality dentures need custom measurements and expert adjustments. Your smile deserves more than a shortcut, so before you spend a dime, talk to your dentist. Explore real options, like custom acrylic, flexible, or implant-supported dentures. Your health is worth it. Don't gamble with your smile.